Hi you guys, welcome back to my food channel Hot and Ready. Thank you for following my cooking journey. So today's menu we have adobo chicken dinner, and that is a famous Filipino dish. So let's get started. Right here we have the ingredients. And it consists of chicken. You can use any kind of chicken legs, chicken thighs. Some people use chicken wings, but we have chicken thighs and legs. We need vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and then pepper. And I'm adding with my dish veggies, of course. You know how I like my veggies, tomatoes. So here, cabbage. Yep, cabbage. Carrots. Look at those carrots. Broccoli. And you gotta add veggies. This is brown sugar. So right now, I am cooking the chicken in oil and butter to let it brown. And you just flip it, make sure it's crispy on both sides. And now you want to add black pepper. And you let it sit and cook. Check on the chicken every few minutes. Look at that flippy flop. Flip, yeah. And a flip, Flip. Gentle. Look at that, that looks really beautiful. All brown and golden and sizzling and butter, oil. Beautiful view. So now that we have the chicken cooked, we're going to cook the onions and garlic, fresh garlic, in the same oil that we cooked the chicken in. And add fresh ginger, and you want to cook it until it's a little bit caramelized. The key ingredient for this is soy sauce and vinegar. You want to add scallions. Some people add sugar to it, some people don't. I'm adding brown sugar to it and actually boiled eggs as well. Look at that. Look at that. I'm adding minced garlic to this. I love my garlic. That's beautiful. Onions and garlic, ginger. Zizzle, 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 zizzle. Look at that. Now you want to add the chicken into the mix of onions, because you're going to cook the chicken. And then you're going to add the soy sauce and vinegar mix to this. So this dish means a lot to me. It's adobo chicken dish because my husband and I, we lived in California for 3 years, and we went to a predominantly Filipino church, and they would always bring food on Sundays, and it was beautiful because everybody brought different dishes, and one of their dishes that is popular is adobo chicken. It is easy to make, it's really tasty, it's authentic, and You will enjoy it. If you like chicken, soy sauce, you will enjoy it. So now it's time to make the sauce. So here we have brown sugar. I'm adding white vinegar. I'm not measuring anything. I'm adding soy sauce and garlic. I didn't measure anything. I'm just going by the taste. So you want to taste it as you go. Make sure it's not too salty or however you want it. Now you want to mix it gently. And then once it's mixed to your desired preference, you're going to add it to the chicken. So look at this. I added some already. I'm adding more parsley for the freshness, and you want to just let the chicken cook. Look at that, that's beautiful right there. The chicken is cooking, and then soon you're going to add boiled eggs to the pan. I'm adding boiled eggs in my dish because I want more protein, extra protein. So now that's where you add the boiled eggs. And it's that easy to make. You can serve this with rice, vegetables if you want. I served it with rice and vegetables. And that's it. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and comment and share this video so you won't miss another video. Have a good, blessed day.